Don't know,
No,
Colin.
I
I don't know. Can I restart? I don't like that at all.
Absolutely.
I have to collect my thoughts. Hi, my name is Amber Schmidt, and I'm Client Care Specialist here at Matt Smith Real Estate Group, and I'm also transitioning to be a listings coordinator. I joined Matt Smith Real Estate Group right after COVID-19 was really bad in 2021, and I was a waitress for 15 years, and then they cut my hours down to 1 day a week, and I decided that there's got to be something better out there for me. I seen where they needed a receptionist online, and I applied, and I guess the rest is history. The favorite things that I get to do in my position is just hearing how excited people are sometimes when they get to talk to an agent to buy or sell a home. Usually, I like to hear how excited they are. I like being helpful any way that I can, and some of my ways are, just doing anything that's asked of me to my best of my ability. Like, it could be something as small as cleaning something or editing a document to help someone's day go smoother. What got me interested in listings coordinator is basically I seen a need where we're going to need someone there for that. And at first I didn't really, know if I was something I really wanted to do. But then the more that I started getting into the training and everything, I realized how much I actually liked it. I liked putting the listings up online. I liked seeing all the new listings that were upcoming and seeing how fast they actually go. Like, to be honest with you, I would put a listing up, and before it would even go on the MLS, it would actually be pending. So, half my work was already cut out because, you don't put everything up. So that was pretty cool. I think one of my favorite memories so far with being with Matt Smith Real Estate Group is probably our float trip that we had. That was so much fun. We all get together and we have so much fun, and it's nice to be able to have those kind of relationships at work as well. What I enjoy the most about coming to work is the positive atmosphere and the culture that we have here. It's like a lot of places that I have worked in the past, they will tell you that they have that kind of culture and you can have those kind of relationships, but until you're actually around it, then you don't realize how great it is. Like, I enjoy coming to work every day. I enjoy being here, and I can't say that about probably anywhere else that I've worked. When you won't find me at work, you'll find me at home on the evenings and weekends, usually just hanging out with my children, cleaning the house. So that's so much fun. We're gonna go on adventures, go on hikes. We're gonna go to the pools and the lakes and the rivers soon because that's always fun. And also every year I like to go on vacation to Florida to go see my family over there. So that's what I look forward to every May. If you or someone you know would like to buy or sell a home, please reach out to someone of our agents at Matt Smith Real Estate Group. We'd be happy to help you.